This is the Salem 28 View, and if you want a great view from your RV, there's not a better RV to get. The amount of windows and counter space you get is unbelievable. This is the Avalon RV Showcase. Let's check it out. Now, this 28 View gives you everything that you could ask for. One of the first things you'll notice, check out all the windows. You get the nice big tinted windows. You'll notice you get the screens built right in. So if you're camping and you want to get some of that fresh air in, no problem. The 28 View has you covered. It's a fiberglass floor plan, so it's very easy to keep clean. All we need is a rag and some dish soap, and we can make this RV look almost brand new. We have a nice big awning here, plenty of awning space right underneath of our awning. We have our LED awning light built right in, so if we're camping late into the night, early into the morning, it doesn't really matter. We can have a lot of fun here with our 28. Before we jump inside, you'll notice we have our step above system and our nice big grab handle here. So, the steps aren't going to feel like they're going to break from underneath of our feet. We have the nice big grab handle, which makes it very easy to get in. Let's go take a look. Here, relaxing on the back side of our 28 View, you'll notice it's very comfortable. We have a ton of sitting space. We have great viewing angles to our TV. We have our entertainment station built right in and our electric fireplace. What more could you ask for? And as you can tell, we have all of our windows here, and it's probably 80 degrees and it's hot where we're at, but it feels very comfortable here in our 28 View. So when you open these nice big windows, it causes a nice big breeze here in our RV so we can be comfortable whether we need AC or whether we want some fresh air. Another nice thing we have here is our big pantry. So check out that hideaway pantry. We have plenty of room in there for our food, for our goodies, for snacks, for canned goods, whatever we need to bring, we got room for it here in the pantry. Moving into the kitchen, and you'll see unprecedented counter space. I mean, check out how much counter space we have. We have solid surface countertops built right in here into the island as well as into the countertop. So plenty of room for prep space, for counter space. If we're, need to eat, whatever we're doing, we got room for it here in the kitchen. We have our 3 stovetop burner with our glass stovetop cover. You have your RV oven built right in as well. So if you do some oven cooking, you can get it done here in the 28 View. Moving over to our sink, we have our residential style sprayer, so very easy to use our sink. We have our 50/50 sink. We have our dry rack, so we're ready to go. We have our lights built right on top of our island here so we can see what's going on. It looks great. And this 28 View has everything that you could ask for. Nice big fridge and freezer combo, so plenty of room for our food, for our drinks, whatever we're bringing. I like the glass black front as well. I think it looks great. It's nice and sleek. So not only do we have a nice big fridge, but it looks good too. So that's always a plus. You'll notice we also have a little bit of storage here on the side wall, as we head over to our bathroom and our master bedroom. Heading into the bathroom, you'll notice we have a nice big shower. Plenty of room in here in the shower. I'm roughly 5'9", 5'10", probably 4 to 6 inches of headspace here in the shower. I have the concave shower curtain here, which does, give me more elbow space so I don't feel nice and tight here in the shower. I feel like I actually have some room and I can use it. So that's always a plus. We have a nice tall shower head here, which makes it very easy to use. So, everything we could ask for here in the bathroom. We got our running water, we got our medicine cabinet, our toilet. We have our wood pocket door built right in for some privacy. So, bathroom's perfect. I like having that nice big shower. And I like when they don't feel so tight. Heading here into the master, you'll notice we have the RV King and we also have the Versatilt. So if you like to watch TV at night, it's very easy here in the 28 View. We can tilt the bed up, we can lay it flat when we're ready to sleep, but I like having that versatility. You still get the king size bed with the corner cut out, so our floor plan is still mobile. Our bedroom, we can still, maneuver around very easily. We have hanging space on either side of the bed. And then we have a nice big closet here that's prepped for washer and dryer if you need one, or you can use it for some more storage space. So if you're looking for a travel trailer that gives you the best view of the entire campground, maybe you like to see your family and your friends while you're out there camping, the 28 View is a perfect floor plan for you, and you can get it at AvalonRVCenter.com. That was the Avalon RV Showcase on the 28 View by Salem. And if you want an amazing travel trailer with big windows, a lot of counter space, the 28 View is a floor plan to take a look at. You can check it out online 24/7, 365 at avalonrvcenter.com, or you can give us a call right here at our Medina location, 330-239-2131. We'll see you on the next showcase.